Hello, loves. This will probably be a pretty short one, but I wanted to share this tarot deck that I got. A good friend of mine that is an American, but she lives in the UK now, and she went to Japan in April, and she got me this tarot deck, the Blue Birds Tarot. And she mailed it to me, but it took 2 months to arrive. So it's the top of July, and I'm just getting it. And I'm so excited. I was about to open it, and I thought, well, I might as well share it and let you all see it. I just think this is so cool. And it's so thin that I'm kind of presuming that it is only the major arcana, but we will find out together. Let's see. I love the blue on it. So, ooh, wow, look at that. That is phenomenal, that image, and I guess that is the image behind this. I wonder, that's really cool. Oh my God, I'm in love with this. It's like the divine feminine, ooh, hoo, hoo, and like the 4 elements in balance. That is so beautiful. And incidentally, this is the same friend that got me the Hobonichi this year, that got me all into this. Oh, look at this little book. Let's see. Okay, of course it's all in Japanese, but at least it will tell me. Oh wow, okay, so there are descriptions in here, and there's Japanese and English at the bottom, and let's see. So it does look like it's just the major arcana, which is so super cool, because I've been doing a deep dive that she doesn't even know about into the archetypal story of, oh wow, oh, they're even in order. How exciting. I don't even have to put them in order. That's amazing. Okay, so it is just the major arcana. Look at this. I'm going to set this aside so hopefully you can see all of them. The Fool, well, at least I'll go like this. I won't be able to probably fit them all in. The Magician. Hoo hoo hoo. These are so powerful. Oh my gosh, it's like witch energy. I love it. It looks like she has cowboy boots on. I mean, how amazing. And are all the images, I was going to see if they were all women, but no, emperors. Ooh, whoa, these are potent. Okay, let me start with the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress. Oh my gosh. I talked about this when I shared the Rainbow Tarot in one of my other videos, how sometimes, you know, people will do a rendition or riff off of tarot and, you know, as artists, and they're beautiful, but if the person doesn't have a relationship with tarot, then they don't have the same kind of potency. And this is not that. This is kind of like the Rainbow Tarot that I was like, whoa, it's potent, because you can feel that they got the assignment. Wow. And the Hierophant, the Lovers. Ooh, I love the coloring of these. It's just so beautiful. It's like the masculine and feminine, if we're to go with, like, you know, traditional colors, and the balance and the gold, like the archangel color in here that's balancing it. Wow. Okay, the Chariot. Wow, I've never seen a Chariot card depicted like that, where you don't see the face of the horses and you're just like right in the center of it, and it's more about the charioteer. Look at that, and like where they're going. Okay, Justice. Never seen Justice look like this either. Wow. These are so super cool. Thank you, Rachel. I love these. And the Hermit, this is my life path card. And if you don't know what yours is and you don't know how to do that, add all the dates, all the numbers in your birthday up to a single digit, and that will tell you what your life path number is from 1 to 9. and what your life path number is, but then that number equates to the tarot. And if when you tally it, it's a double digit, you add it, you just keep adding it down and down and down until it gets to 1 digit. But if it is 2 digits and it's under 21, then you can also look at maybe you have another card in the tarot, in the higher part of the major arcana. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune, that is so super cool. I was just looking at it recently in another deck and I was like, oh, it's like a roulette wheel that you're spinning, or like, you know, the Price is Right wheel kind of. Ooh, Strength, whoa. And she still has her hand in the lion's mouth. She's still got the figure 8 above her head. I love this card. Ooh. The Hanged Man. Are we still going in order here? Yeah. 8, 9, yep. Yeah, they're all in order. How super cool. A lot of times when you open these decks, they're not in order at all. Okay, Death. Whoa, these are so potent. I'm going to move it over so I can have space, hopefully. Temperance. Okay, so still with the cups, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Balancing emotions, tempering everything down. The Devil. And it kind of looks like that in here too, but in one of the decks, I want to say it's the Marseille, I can't remember, to notice that the chain around the neck of the people that the devil has on his hook is actually large enough for them to get out of, but they don't see it. And there's the Kundalini energy rising up the spine. Whoo-hoo, these are powerful. The Tower, oh my gosh, I've never seen it like this. It's got this kind of like anime quality to it, where it's like experiential, I guess is what I want to say, is like, because it's giving this perspective of like you're at the bottom of the tower watching these people fall out of it. Okay, the Star. Oh my God, look at this Moon card. Holy cow, that's powerful. That looks like the splitting of the ocean. Like opening a portal for these boats to get through. And Lady Luna is watching over the whole thing. And then the Sun. Ooh, I love the, I wonder, yeah, that's on here too. It's like to me, I look at this as a indication of Kundalini rising in a balanced way. Wow, 1920. Judgment. That is so cool. I was just listening to a Dolores Cannon book this morning. I think it's called Jesus and the Essenes. And it was talking about the Day of Judgment, which has now become Yom Kippur, where they blew a horn, and it was about atonement and balancing the energy within and without, like within yourself and also with others. And I was like, oh, that's the Judgment card. How amazing is that? And the Universe, or the World is what it's called in the traditional. Wow. This is amazing. Thank you, Rachel. Ooh, I want to know what constellations these are. So in the 4 corners of the world is typically the 4 elements. And the representation of it is that all 4 elements are balanced. And this is typically, it doesn't really look like a specific leaf here, but usually a laurel leaf, which is used as protection for boundaries. Her Kundalini rising, and then in possession of the wands, as above, so below, heaven on earth. Wow, these are gorgeous. Thank you, Rachel. I love you so much. Okay, I just had to share that with you, and I really hope that you enjoy this and go check out this deck, the Blue Birds Tarot. And I actually, to date, have never had a deck that was only the major arcana. And here I am getting this massive download about it. And the archetypal story, which is, of course, the same archetypal story as the astrology wheel. I mean, it's all telling the same story. It's so beautiful. So anyways, I love you. Have a wonderful day. And go pull out your tarot. Okay.